Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Come here. Did you do this install?
Yeah.
Looks good, man. I like it. And you got some room to put anything you need back here.
Yeah.
Nice job. Is this actually, what's your gap space from this baffle to the behind the box? Is it mounted to it, or?
No, I got 2x4 spacing it out.
Okay.
And then I have about 2.5 inches.
Got it. Very nice. Everything's pretty clean and hidden?
Oh yeah.
What is your amp wire to?
Quarter ohm.
Quarter ohm, okay. I'll go see what's inside. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
My name's Mike. I'm on Team Wicked Tombs. I have 4 Avatar STU-12s on a Def Bonds AAK 5500 at quarter ohm.
So are these dual ones or dual twos?
Dual twos.
Dual twos, okay. Very nice. What's your box specs and tuning, do you know?
I'm tuned at 32. It's 10.5 cubic feet.
And then you upgrade like your alternator size and battery power?
I'm actually running stock alternator.
Okay.
I'm running inverter to converters. I'm running 72 amp hours of CMAX at 15 volts.
Okay. Nice. Looks really good, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing it. Have you done any kind of roof work yet?
No.
Okay.
No, it's all getting ripped out soon.
Okay.
I'm 1 to 8.
They're going to 8? 8 subs?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And a 4th order. Plays down to about 25.
25? Okay.
Yeah. You actually probably know these avatars.
Oh yeah? Okay.
They were in Jerry's Kia.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I remember him having 4 and then 6.
Yep.
Nice. You like them? You love them, man. And you're going to be doing 8 of these. Wow. In the same vehicle? Okay. You're probably going to lose some of your back space.
Oh, I'm losing it all.
Losing it all, yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You have another song?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Niggas been counting me out. I'm counting my bullets. I'm loading my clips. I'm writing down names. I'm making a list. I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying. The fake ones is lit. The game is off balance. I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty. My sneakers is dirty. But that's how I like it. You all on my dick. I'm all in my bag. It's a kid. I do my stuff. I might take a sip. I might hit the cup. But I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill. But you do it. Yes, I got it. But not all of them. Bitch, what good is the better? My niggas is dope. What good is first class of my niggas can't do? Cause my niggas I can't quit. Just like my niggas. Just with the rolling red tag on my wrist. That's why I stay for Drizzy. He gave me a gift. Back when the rap
playing down to? That's pretty good. Mid-30s or so?
No, it plays down to about 25.
25? Okay. Well, good luck with the build, man.
Thank you.
Privilege to meet you. Have a good day. Well, you have a good day, man. I'll go check them out, too.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop